This video is sponsored by Samsung Canada. I cannot wait to show you my ultra futuristic Samsung Bespoke 4-door French door fridge. It is wild. December finish time, y'all. New year, same kitchen, but if you missed the last video, watch it here.
Oh my god, the whole house looks like there's... Oh my god. I feel like it's end of an era. We're not ready for these appliances to get here. What a Chinese household. I had to change, I was getting so sweaty. Oh my god, it's here. It's here, it's here, it's here. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah. The fridge has a screen. What the heck? Stefan is installing the microwave. I am clocking out for the day. Oh my god! We can cook like normal people now!
So I know normally in a kitchen reno timeline, appliances come last, but being that we have never done this before and are doing it all ourselves, we received our set a little early. Originally, we weren't even going to change our appliances at all, but fates aligned, and I'm incredibly lucky and now have a suite that matches the era of the kitchen that we designed. So I have the Bespoke 4-door French door counter depth refrigerator. It comes in several configurations and you can choose from 11 colors and 3 finishes for the 4 front panels to match every decor style. You can even swap them out if you want to update your kitchen design. I chose this model because I was drawn to the Flex Zone drawer. It enables customized temperature in each compartment and you can set it to have perfect cooling of meats, beverages, wine, and my current, which is soft freeze. Currently, I have Reed's raw food. In the old freezer, I have a little compartment, or actually it was the old ice box, and they were all like jumbled all together, but to have a designated drawer just for her food is perfect. Ours also has the family hub where you can listen to music, watch TV while you're cooking, and even monitor the home. Hey Bixby, what's the weather today?
It is mostly cloudy with a high of 3 degrees and a low of -1 degree.
The beverage center hidden away behind the upper left door to maintain the refrigerator's flat, sleek door design includes an autofill water pitcher. And the most exciting of all, and for the first time in my life, I have a fridge that makes ice. It is a dual auto ice maker that can make regular cubed ice as well as nugget ice. Nugget ice! This fridge has so many features that I didn't even know existed in a fridge. I almost forgot that I have a dishwasher now because it is so quiet. For it to be the same size as our previous washer, I'm shocked at how much better it fits things, and after a cycle, it has Smart Dry, which auto releases the door. I just pictured the dishwasher taking a breath of fresh air like, ah. While my favorite new appliance is the fridge, Steph's is the range.
Whoa!
We've been living with electric stoves for years, and as the main cook of the family, he had been itching for a gas stove. Well, I can tell ya, he got more than a gas stove.
Bake, convection roast. Keep warm. Bread.
You gotta make me bread.
Dehydrate.
And right above, the microwave that has built-in ventilation that Steph hooked up so we can finally cook anything and everything without the smell and residue getting everywhere in the house. It has sensor cook technology, runs efficiently, and has a built-in LED cooktop light. Arguably, the best feature of the suite is that the fridge, dishwasher, and oven can be controlled through the SmartThings app, whether I want to look in the fridge, preheat the oven, run the dishwasher, and check if the stove is on, which I am very guilty of. The Samsung Bespoke suite is not only tailored for my lifestyle, it offers so many additional perks I didn't even ask for, but now cannot live without.
Can you believe the last time this happened, I was wearing almost nothing underneath my paint suit, sweating. I had ordered 3 tents, and they were all on back order, or my order was canceled because everybody wanted tents. Steph bought the first tent, and he didn't even choose a cute color. It comes with so many cute colors, and he chose gray. That got canceled. Then a checkered one that I really liked, obviously, that got canceled. And then this one, which finally arrived. And it's cold. It paint the cabinet doors again. Oh God. You see that? What the heck? This is leftover paint from the living and the dining room from when we first moved in. There's plenty left. The love of my life broke his toe. Steph broke his toe doing yard work. It wasn't the kitchen this time. I had the ladder partially extended and I was out. I had class, and then Steph thought that the ladder wasn't fully extended, so he unlocked the sides and the inner ladder came slamming down on his toe. And then I come home and I see this guy's face and he looks miserable. And I'm like, oh my God, what's wrong? And he's like, the ladder fell on my toe. I might have broken it like a few hours ago. And I'm like, what? And yeah, we have a fractured toe. He's a little limited. Waiting on him hand and foot. I'm determined. We need to order the countertops tomorrow. Ordering the countertops will be like another 3 weeks just to get it cut. So we gotta get moving. We really were tight. December finish time, y'all. Oh my God, it looks crazy.
Is it good?
Well, crazy like we did something right.
I mean, we did something.
It looks like the colors are crazy.
Yeah.
Cabinets. Do we need to shim it for the counter people to measure?
I don't think so.
I mean, let's just shim it. Our countertops are supposed to come in 10 minutes. This is a momentous occasion because we have taken out this sink like 3 times to get under it, around it, through it, and we're finally taking it out for good. No more laminate countertops.
On the next of our DIY kitchen reno series, I put the entire kitchen in peril and gambled by mixing my own grout color.
Don't do it. It's impossible. I made so many holes. I got the floating shelves wrong.